Hello friends, bridge and flyover are both elevated structures that allow for the passage of vehicles, pedestrians, or other forms of transportation. However, there are some key differences between the two. In this video, we are going to discuss the same, so let us start. Purpose. A bridge is a structure that helps people and vehicles cross over obstacles like sea, rivers, or valleys. It connects two points that would otherwise be separated. On the other hand, a flyover, also known as overpass, is a concept that allows roads to be built over roads to facilitate faster movement of people and vehicles in this age of congested traffic in metro cities. Design and construction. Bridges are usually longer and more complex structures that span a considerable distance to cross over natural or man-made barriers. They can have various shapes and sizes such as arches, beams, or suspension cables, etc. Bridges can be built using various materials like concrete, steel, or wood, and they often have supports or piers to hold them up. Whereas flyovers are shorter structures that are typically straight or curved in shape. They are built above ground level and may have ramps or interchanges to facilitate smooth traffic flow. Flyovers are generally made of reinforced cement concrete. Traffic flow. Bridges often handle two-way traffic or have dedicated lanes for both directions. They can accommodate various types of vehicles including cars, trucks, and pedestrians, etc. Flyovers, on the other hand, are primarily designed for vehicular traffic. They are intended to provide a direct route over congested areas, reducing the need for vehicles to slow down or stop at intersections. Location. Bridges can be found in urban areas, rural areas, and even in remote locations where there is a need to cross over water bodies. Whereas flyovers are typically constructed in urban areas with high traffic density or at busy intersections where traffic congestion is a problem. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.